Hrvatski radio one. I can see.
I don't have that email, but I think they sent it to me on my email.
Do you think so?
Yep.
Okay.
Čim ne okrenem,
Onda ćemo naručiti.
ali probat ću opet. Da.
Oh, so these seats. Okay.